Howdy crew, this is the promised update of cleaning the USMC Woodland MARPAT shelter. So giving y'all an update on what's going on with the cleaning. As you all have seen before, this is the USMC Woodland MARPAT Camo shelter. So it got kind of sticky from just moisture being on it, heat. It kind of almost looked like it's melted, but it's not. It's just sticky stuff. So it had been some moisture. It was put away and wasn't aired out properly. Very important with these things to have them air out. If y'all have ever used these out in the field and you stick them in your pack and you use it in a lot of moisture, whether it be rain, heavy fog, or just very humid areas, and you put it away, it can get very nasty. If it's stowed away for a long time, not aired out properly, it can get very smelly, sticky, and little bacteria stuff can grow in there. It's not fun. It's really not. And then having to deal with the aftermath of it. So I am dealing with that from buying this from the venture surplus. So it's a little unfortunate, but it happens. I'm not knocking them. They can only do so much. They can't wash all these, have them air dry. I know they can't do that, and that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So I'm just doing it with some dish soap, nice, easy dish soap. It's nothing harsh, not heavy-duty chemicals or anything. It's been cutting through the sticky stuff fairly well. Even after I hung it up to dry, I could still feel some stickiness, but I'm going to have it dry for quite a while in some open air area, and just so that the wind can blow through it, and that way it just airs out. It's very important for these to air out. You never want these to be stuffed away when there's moisture on it. And even if it is stuffed away with no moisture, it is good to have it air out once in a while because it can smell. Hope y'all enjoyed.